a young man, Arun, sits on a park bench, watching joggers pass by. He sighs, looking down at himself. Arun had always dreamed of running a marathon. But every time he thought about it, doubt crept in. I can't even run for a minute without stopping, he told himself. He gets up, takes a deep breath, and starts jogging. Just a few seconds later, he stops, gasping for air, his hands on his knees, his chest burned, his legs ached, and disappointment filled his heart. Maybe running just isn't for me, he thought. He was ready to give up. Just then, he remembers something his grandfather used to say. Every great journey begins with a single step. Arun looks around, deep in thought. He decides to try again, but this time, differently. Instead of worrying about the full marathon, Arun made a new goal, just 100 meters. That's all I need to do today, he told himself. The next morning, he puts on his shoes, steps onto the path, and runs 100 meters. He stops, out of breath, but this time, he smiles. It was hard, but he had done it. And that was enough for today. The next day, he runs 200 meters. The day after that, 300. His small steps turn into a habit. Day by day, he pushed himself a little more. 500 meters. 1 kilometer. 2 kilometers. He wasn't just running, he was proving to himself that he could. Months passed. Arun had changed, not just physically, but mentally. He had built something more powerful than muscles. He had built discipline. Then, the big day arrives. Arun stands at the marathon starting line, surrounded by runners. The whistle blows. He takes a deep breath and runs. The marathon was tough. His legs felt heavy. But he remembered every small step that had brought him here. One step at a time, he whispered to himself. The finish line comes into view. With his last ounce of strength, he pushes forward and crosses it. Arun holds his medal, his face glowing with pride. He had done it. Not because of one big effort, but because of the small steps he took every single day. Great things are done by a series of small things brought together. Remember, success isn't about giant leaps. It's about showing up every day and taking one small step forward. What's one small step you can take today toward your goal? Here is the meaning for some words. Joggers are people who run at a steady, gentle pace for exercise. Marathon, a long-distance race, typically 42.2 kilometers, 26.2 miles, or a long and challenging task. Crept, moved slowly and quietly, often to avoid being noticed. Gasping, breathing with difficulty, often due to exhaustion or shock. Journey, the act of traveling from one place to another, either physically or as part of personal growth. Discipline, the practice of self-control and consistency in following rules or habits. Whispered, spoke in a very soft, quiet voice. Leaps, jumps forward or upward, either physically or in progress. Goal, the desired result or achievement a person aims for. Confidence, a belief in oneself and one's abilities. Like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories.